1. 852 Hertz frequency. This one works like magic for me. I found a video on TikTok and it just did something to my brain. I felt calm, instantly. My thoughts slowed down, my head felt clear, and I was ready to focus again. If you've been overthinking or feeling tense, you need to try this. I put the link to the 852 Hertz YouTube video in the description if you want to check it out. By the way, if you're into peaceful background music while you work or relax, this is my favorite go-to video. It keeps me calm and productive at the same time. 2. Move your body. Do some physical exercise. One of the easiest and fastest ways to relax, reset, and wake up your brain is planking. Do a solid 5-minute plank with the right posture and proper breathing. One person I read about used to plank for 2 to 4 minutes every day and found that during planking, her mental effort shifted away from active thinking and toward bodily awareness. Her concentration on external tasks consistently decreased during planking. This makes sense. Research on cognitive load theory suggests that when the body is under physical strain, the brain reallocates resources, making it harder to focus on outside distractions. The same goes for running. In one small experiment, a woman ran 1 to 3 kilometers in a park while using a portable EEG device to record her brainwave activity. She found that the rise in alpha waves suggested running promotes a state of relaxation and mental clarity. The increase in theta waves could indicate a state of enhanced internal focus and mindfulness. These results suggest that even a short run or a few minutes of planking can significantly impact your brain, promoting relaxation, focus, and mindfulness. 3rd, breathing exercises. Take a deep breath through your nose. Now pucker your lips. Make an O shape as if you were going to whistle or blow out a candle. Exhale slowly through your lips. You should hear the sound of your breath. And if you want, you can also whistle. Do it slowly and for a longer period. I get nervous easily and also have anxiety, so I always do this. It relaxes me. Another thing you can do to jolt your body and brain awake is to take a deep breath, hold it in for a few seconds, and then let it out. Here's how it goes. Take a deep breath through your nose. Hold your breath in your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly breathe out. Do this a few times, taking regular breaths in between. Otherwise, you might feel dizzy. Take your vitamins. Think of your brain like an electrical system. It needs the right materials to run smoothly. Vitamins and minerals are part of that wiring. Without enough B6, B12, folate, vitamin C, magnesium, or vitamin D, your brain can't make neurotransmitters properly. Serotonin, dopamine, and GABA drop, while stress chemicals like cortisol rise. That's why your thoughts feel restless, anxious, or scattered. Deficiencies also slow nerve signals, mess with energy production, and keep your stress response partially on. Taking vitamins restores chemical balance, smooths nerve signaling, calms the nervous system, and reduces internal stress signals. Basically, it's like giving your brain the tools to hit the reset button. 5. Tritaka, staring at fire or a dot without blinking. This isn't just like staring at a candle. It's an ancient Indian yogic practice called Tritaka. Pick a single point, a flame, a black dot, and stare at it without blinking for as long as you can. At first, your eyes might water and your mind will wander. That's normal. But the trick is to keep bringing your focus back to the point. It anchors your attention, stops your thoughts from racing, and trains deep concentration. In yogic tradition, Tritaka strengthens the Ajna chakra, third eye, and intuition. From a modern perspective, it improves focus, reduces mental chatter, and even sharpens visual attention. Honestly, if you've been doom-scrolling all day, staring at a calm, flickering flame for 1 to 2 minutes feels like hitting a giant reset button in your brain.